Hello everyone, so I'm outside in the snowstorm, and it's coming down pretty heavily, the snow is, and it's even on covering some of the trees, as you can see, and on the ground. There's already a lot on the ground even from last night, and then it's been snowing more today. So if you look at the ground, I'm just going to walk around here, and it's on the bushes here. And here's near the bird feeder. Look how much snow there is. It's not too windy though, it's not that bad, but there's a bit of wind, but it's supposed to be a huge storm today. It's so cold, it's minus 12 degrees Celsius. So I'm just walking around here. See what it's like other parts of the yard here. Wow, I didn't even walk through here yet. There's no footprints. See this area here, it's all covered. So it's like a winter wonderland. It's getting pretty deep.